Hey guys, it's Christina. So today I wanted to do a new video for you guys speaking about how I make money online, going online shopping. It's really not hard. I've done these videos before, but I know I do have a lot of new subscribers since the last time I did this video. So I wanted to explain this whole process to you guys. So basically the website is right here. It's called Ebates. And so far I've earned $4,415.26 from them just shopping online. So it's not hard at all. I will link it down below for you guys at the top of the info box if you want to check it out. But they pay you quarterly, so every 3 months you get a paycheck, which I just got mine. That's why I'm making this video, because I just wanted to show you guys that it's legit money and it's so easy to earn. So at the top over here you have your little search bar where you go and you put in whatever store that you want to shop on. And it's not just, you know, girly stuff like beauty and fashion, which they do have Sephora, Ulta, Nordstrom, all the good stuff on there, Macy's, whatever. They also have everything for guys, Walmart, Amazon, anything you want. So anytime like I need just the basics to buy, like say a dresser from Walmart or like some contacts from Walgreens or something like that, anytime I just go to buy makeup, Tarte, whatever it is, I always go through here. And it's cool because every store has a different percentage, and then especially around holidays the percentages go up, so you get that money back. So say like Macy's is having 6% cash back right now. So if you go and spend $100 at Macy's, you're gonna get $6 back just for going through Ebates first. It's like, imagine if you went to like Victoria's Secret and you spent $100 or whatever it is, and then at the counter they're like, oh, here's $10 back because we're doing 10% back. You'd be like, what? And that's on top of their sales and on top of like discount codes that they also give you in here for like free shipping and stuff like that. So you're already saving money that way, but then you also get the cash back, and it's actual cash. It's not just like a discount code. You actually get that money, like I said, by paycheck. You know, you can get a check in the mail. I get my money sent to my PayPal, so it's just easier that way. And at every store they pay you that cash back just because you're shopping through Ebates. And the way it works is you just go up here to the search bar, you type in, say, something, whatever, Macy's, 6%. So then you go over here and you already get all these discount codes that they give you, that they have. So you get gifts for shipping, you know, you could get money off, 30% off bags, whatever it is that they're having. And these percentages vary. They also go up, like I said, for holidays. So for, you know, holidays and stuff like that, they'll also have more discount codes for you guys. But what's cool is that all of these codes are valid. They don't have, you know, these weird, like sometimes I used to go to websites and shop through them and go and try to find a coupon code for whatever website that I wanted to shop on, and it's just annoying because a lot of times they're expired. You have to try like 10 of them first before anything works. So this way you don't have to do all that. So then you pick like whatever code that you want and it copies it for you, and then you just click shop now and it redirects you to the Macy's website. So you're not putting your credit card in to Ebates or anything like that. You just are redirected to whatever site that you're shopping on, and they're gonna track where you came from, which you came from Ebates. So then Macy's is gonna give Ebates a cut because they referred you to them, and then Ebates will give you a cut. So that's how you get paid. And let me show you my paycheck, my recent one. So this was my last payment on February 10th, and this was for $444.24. And this is legit. So I'm gonna go to my PayPal and show you that I'm speaking the truth, and it's not just like some fake scam or something like that, which I'm sure you've probably heard about Ebates by now if you're on YouTube all the time, because girls talk about it all the time because it's easy money to get if you're a shopaholic like me. So yeah. So I'm on my PayPal right now. So this is my transaction. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try to zoom in or something like that, but it says $444.24, you know, on February 10th that I got that. So I'm just saying, it's just easy money. Like I said, I will link it below for you guys at the top of the info box if you want to check it out. If you're a YouTuber, I will also give you some links down below to different websites that you can get paid through if you create videos, but I know that's not for everyone, so I'm not even going to talk about that, but I will just link them down below, so just check it out. All the links will be down there. And that is it. So I know it's a little bit of a short video. Usually I like to do my videos super long, but I just wanted to show you quickly just how easy it is to get money online just for shopping. And like I said, it goes for everything. So not just beauty and fashion. You can get your boyfriend things. You can get, oh my god, I didn't even talk about like cameras, laptops, plane tickets. Those are very expensive. So if you're getting something like that, if you're buying like a big purchase online, you might as well just get money back for it. I'm just saying. So it's easy to do that. You know, if your ticket is like over $1,000, which any camera is also probably going to be that much. So, you know, you might as well just do that. Like when I bought my camera, I went through Amazon, and both of these actually, and I got money back because I did Ebates. It's like just so easy. So like I said, all the links will be down below. I will put the Ebates link at the very top, and then some other links that I was talking about. If you're a YouTuber, check them out as well. And I will also link my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat if you want to be friends, as well as my blog, where I always list everything I'm wearing. I know I said this at the end of every video, but then I also still get questions about everything I'm wearing. So just check out my blog. It will be down there. And as always, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And that is it. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.